In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on OneDrive Autosave in our complete 2025 guide. To get started, the first thing you need to do is locate the OneDrive cloud icon. If you're using Windows, you'll find this in your taskbar at the bottom right of your screen. If you're on a Mac, it will be in your menu bar. Once you found this icon, give it a click. This will open up a menu where you need to select Help and Settings, then click on Settings. This will open up the OneDrive settings window where all the magic happens. Now, let's move on to enabling the actual folder backup, which is also known as Autosave. In the settings window, navigate to the Sync and Backup tab. Once you're there, look for the section titled Important PC Folders, which includes your desktop, documents, and pictures. This is where you want to focus your attention. You'll see an option to manage backup. Click on this, and thereafter you'll be able to toggle on Start Backup. This is the key step that activates autosave for your important folders, ensuring that all your essential files are automatically backed up to OneDrive, thus giving you peace of mind and freeing you from the worry of manual uploads. Next, confirm that autosave is also working for your Office files, which is important if you're frequently working with Word, Excel, or PowerPoint documents. In the settings, find the Office tab. Within this section, you'll notice an option that says Use Office Applications to sync Office files that I open. Make sure this box is checked. This ensures that any changes made to your Office files are automatically synced and saved to OneDrive, providing an extra layer of security for all your ongoing projects. After you've checked that option, don't forget to click OK. This final step applies all the changes and ensures everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on the autosave feature in OneDrive. This means that from now on, your files will be continuously saved and synced in the background. You'll have access to your documents from any device with ease, knowing they're safely backed up in the cloud. Before we wrap up, here's a quick reminder. Keeping autosave enabled is a fantastic way to safeguard your work against data loss or accidental deletions. So, whenever you add or update files in these folders, they'll be automatically backed up to your OneDrive cloud. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to explore more resources or reach out. Thanks for following along in today's guide. See you next time.